Today we'll look at a basic overview of the Windows Active Directory interface on Windows Server. From the Server Manager's dashboard, click on Tools in the top right of the screen and select Active Directory Users and Computers. This will show you a list of users and groups in the local domain. If we click on our domain over here, we will be greeted with a list of containers and organizational units. Containers are objects that hold users, groups and devices. Organizational units are a type of container that can have group policies applied, as well as several other features like assignment of admin rights. We can create a new user by going to Action, New and User. Here you can fill out the details for the new user. Let's say test user, or rather first name test, last name user. Once you've done that, click Next. Enter a desired password. Now, generally, it's considered best practice to require the user to change their password on their next login. Click Next. Now you can see the new user appears here in the list. We can check properties to find information about this user. The Member Of tab shows you groups that the user is a member of. You can also add or remove the user from groups here too. Now we will create a group. Now if you click on the Action tab and notice that the options have changed, it may be because you have selected a user or group. This will change the Action tab options to do things specific to that user or group. To get the original options back, simply right click over here in this white space. From here, select New and Group. Assign the group a name. Call it Test Group. So these options here at the bottom, Group Scope determines where the group can be used in the domain. Group type determines what the group is used for, either security group for delegating permissions or a distribution group for email distribution. Once the group is created, same as for users, you can check properties, go to the Members tab and you can see a list of users who are a member of this group. You can add and remove users here as well. You can also add a user to a group by right clicking the user in the list, typing in the name of the group, check names, and then clicking OK. So we'll just do that now. So we'll type in the name is Test Group. To check names, to verify the correct name, and click OK. So now the test user we have created is a member of the test group we just created. You can verify this by checking the member tabs of the user and group. To remove the user from the group, simply click on the user and select Remove. You can verify this once again by navigating to the Member tab or in the User's properties and seeing the test group is no longer here. So we will just do that. So we remove the user from the group. We check the User's properties, the Member Of tab, the test group is no longer here. Okay, so you can reset a password. So if you do password reset, right click the user whose password you want to reset, click Reset Password and enter a new password. Generally speaking, the user must change password at next logon as best practice. If the user has run out of attempts, you see the option at the bottom that says Unlock the user's account. So if the user has run out of attempts to enter their password, checking this option will reset their attempts and allow them to regain access. And as you can see, the user's password has now been changed. This has been a brief overview of Windows Server Active Directory. Thanks for watching.